Now, let me explain you few prepositions in detail. Okay. So first is between. Okay. So between this preposition we use to show to show middle of two objects. Okay. When any noun or pronoun is between two objects, middle of the two objects, then we use between. At that time we use the pronoun between. Okay. When something or somebody remains in the middle of two objects. Okay. Next is behind. When something or somebody is at the back of something, जब किसी चीज के पीछे होगा तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे? behind. At that time we use preposition behind. Okay. Next, in front of. So in front of means सामने. So when somebody or something is before another thing or someone, at that time we use preposition in front of. Okay. So are you clear with these three prepositions? Between, when something or somebody is in middle of the two objects. Okay. Behind we will use when something or somebody is at back of something. And in front of we will use when something or somebody is before another thing. Okay. Preposition into. Okay. So into, this preposition is used to show inward movement. Okay. Inward movement means अंदर की तरफ का movement दिखाने के लिए हम into use करते हैं. Okay. Into, when something or somebody is moving from one place to inward of the other place. Okay. At that time we use into. Okay. Next, above. Above, this preposition we use to show the direction, to show when something is higher or beyond our reach. Okay. Something which is higher or beyond our reach, to show that we use above. Okay. Preposition above. Next, over, when it is used to show the distance of height from your head to ceiling. Okay. So this much height when we have to tell, then we use over. And above we use when something is beyond our reach, that we cannot touch. It is not in our reach. So to show that we use above. Okay. We get confused that where to use above and over. Okay. Because above it is also upar, है ना? And over it is also to show that something is up. Okay. So don't get confused. See, we use above when the things to which we are referring or the things referred to, they are not in contact. That means they are not in touch. Okay. To show that thing or to denote that thing, we use preposition above. Okay. So preposition above हम कब use करेंगे? जब हम किसी ऐसी चीज की बात कर रहे हैं जो हमारे contact या touch में नहीं है. Okay. उन चीज को बताने के लिए हम above use करेंगे. Okay. And over we use when one thing touches or it covers the other. Okay. जब हम किसी चीज को टच कर पा रहे हैं या फिर जिस चीज के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं या जिस चीज को रेफर कर रहे हैं, that thing we can touch or it covers the another thing. Okay. So at that time you use over. Okay. Next, use over with numbers. With numbers we always use over. We do not use above. हम नंबर्स के साथ हमेशा क्या यूज, अगर हम नंबर को रेफर कर रहे हैं तो हम कौन सा प्रेपोजिशन यूज करेंगे? वहां पे ओवर. अबव नहीं यूज करेंगे. ठीक है. अबव नहीं यूज करेंगे. अगर हमें नंबर को रेफर करना है तो कौन सा प्रेपोजिशन यूज करेंगे? ओवर. ओके. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू कैन सी हियर, शी पुट्स अ ब्लैंकेट ओवर हिम. उसने उसके ऊपर एक ब्लैंकेट रखा. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे हमने क्या यूज किया? preposition over, because here the thing it is in touch. Okay. यहाँ हम above नहीं यूज करेंगे. She puts a blanket above him. ये above अगर हमने यूज किया यहाँ पे preposition, it becomes wrong. Okay. So here which preposition will be used? Over. Okay. We can't use above. Next sentence see, I get over 30 emails per day. So in this sentence also you see here, because here are numbers, So with numbers we will use over, not above. I get above 30 meals. No, that is wrong. Okay, we will use preposition over. Okay, so remember this thing, that above we use when the thing to which we are referring, or the thing which is referred to, that does not come in contact, or that we can't touch. Okay, it is above, beyond our touch. Okay, and over we will use when the thing it is in touch, or it covers the another thing. Okay, and with the numbers also we will use over. Okay, for example, one more example I am giving you of number. For example, if your weight becomes if your weight gets over 50 kilo, then you need to do exercise. Okay, so in this sentence, if I use above, if your weight gets above 50, no, here what we will use? Over. Over will be the correct preposition. Okay, because with number we will use over. Okay, so here over will come. So remember this thing. I am going to tell you about preposition at. Okay, that at what time we will use, or what are the uses of preposition at. Okay, so first thing, preposition at, it is used to show time. ठीक है, जब भी हमें time दिखाना होगा, for that we will use preposition at. Okay, for example, at 12 o'clock. ठीक है, at 1 o'clock. So here I have to show the time. So with the time I will use preposition at. Okay, next, for specific part of a day. Okay, एक दिन का अगर हमें कोई एक स्पेसिफिक पार्ट बताना है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मुझे मॉर्निंग के बारे में बताना है, या कुछ नाइट के बारे में बोलना है, या आफ्टरनून, तो फॉर अ स्पेसिफिक पार्ट ऑफ अ डे ऑल्सो वी विल यूज एट. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी से एट नाइट, आई गो टू बेड एट नाइट. वी विल नॉट से आई गो टू बेड इन नाइट. ओके, आई गो टू बेड ऑन नाइट, ये नहीं बोलेंगे, दिस इज रॉन्ग. ओके, एक स्पेसिफिक पार्ट जो है डे, एक डे का स्पेसिफिक पार्ट बताने के लिए हम कौन सा preposition यूज करेंगे? एट. सो वी विल से आई गो टू बेड एट नाइट. ठीक है, सो टू शो अ स्पेसिफिक पार्ट ऑफ अ डे वी विल यूज एट. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल एट नाइट, एट मिडनाइट, एट dawn, at noon. So with these we use at. Okay, preposition. Next, to show or in certain place we use at. Some occasion we use at. To show a certain time we use at. Okay, for example, at Lajpat Nagar, at Christmas, this is showing occasion, at present. Okay, so with this also we will use at. Okay, so I hope you are clear with it. When to use at? To show the time, to show or for a specific part of a day in certain place, occasion or time. Okay, हमें month के बारे में बताना है, to for that we use preposition in. Okay, for example, in June, in December. So जब हमें months को denote करना है तो हम वहाँ पे कौन सा preposition use करेंगे? in. ठीक है, सेम वे अगर हमें सीजन्स के बारे में बताना है तब भी हम कौन सा preposition यूज करेंगे? in. Okay, so these are the other means more use of in, the place where we use in. Okay, so in a sentence when we have to say about month, about seasons, then also with this we use the preposition in. Okay, next, on. On, it is used when we are telling about or we are speaking about days of the week. जब हम वीक के डेज के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, जैसे कि संडे, मंडे, ट्यूसडे, इनकी बात कर रहे हैं, तो इसके साथ भी हम डेज के साथ कौन सा preposition लगाएंगे? on preposition यूज करेंगे. ठीक है, मीन्स on हम किससे यूज करते हैं? कोई चीज जब ऊपर है तो उसको भी दिखाने के लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं? on, है ना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द कैट इज ऑन द टेबल. कैट जो है वो टेबल के ऊपर है. इसके साथ साथ on हम और कब यूज करेंगे? when we want to say about the days of the week, that time also we will use on. For example, on Sunday, on Monday. Okay, next, when we are saying about the date, जब हम date की बात करते हैं, that time also in a sentence we will use preposition on. date भी बताने के लिए कौन सा preposition यूज करेंगे? on. on 16th October, on 18th October. My birthday falls on 1 जुलाई. ओके, जब भी हमें डेट बतानी है हम कौन सा प्रपोजिशन यूज करेंगे? ऑन. ओके, नेक्स्ट स्पेशल डे. अगर हमें स्पेशल डेज के बारे में बताना है, फॉर दैट विद दैट ऑल्सो वी विल यूज प्रपोजिशन ऑन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, on birthday, on anniversary. Okay, for example, I am telling you a sentence, I got a gift on my birthday. Okay, so in this sentence you will not use in. यहाँ हम in use नहीं करेंगे, यहाँ हम क्या use करेंगे? on, because I am speaking about special days, so I got gift on my birthday. Understood? So always keep in mind and be careful when you are using the preposition in its sentence. First read the sentence very carefully, find out the meaning of the sentence and then use the preposition, that which preposition will come here. Because many times prepositions, they are mostly same. All the prepositions, they means many of the prepositions, they have the same meaning coming out. Okay, so we get confused that यहाँ पे हमें कौन सा preposition use करना है जो एकदम appropriate होगा. Okay, so for that what you will do, first read the sentence and then make clear that which preposition we have to use. Okay, one more preposition that we use generally very commonly now and then is from and to. Okay, so in many of the sentence you see, for example, see the sentence given here, we went from school to home by foot. Okay, so in this sentence there are three prepositions, from, to and by. Okay, so here you can see from and to. What is the use of from and to and when we use? Okay, so when we are starting, we went from school. कहाँ से जाते हैं? स्कूल से जाते हैं. So when we are talking about the starting point, there we will use preposition from. वहाँ पे हम कौन सा preposition use करेंगे? From. And the ending point we will use the preposition to. ठीक है? From का मतलब क्या हुआ? से. So whenever it is the starting point, from there we will use from and the ending we will use to. है ना? हम स्कूल से घर तक फुट से जाते हैं. ठीक है? नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, वन मोर यू कैन सी हियर, कमल लिव्ड इन दिल्ली फ्रॉम जून टू दिसंबर. सो हियर टू शो द ड्यूरेशन, कब से लेकर के कब तक, जब हम ड्यूरेशन बता रहे हैं, that time also we use from and to. Okay, so again the starting, जहाँ जो ड्यूरेशन का स्टार्टिंग टाइम है वहाँ हम क्या यूज करेंगे? from, और जो एंडिंग है वहाँ हम क्या यूज करेंगे? to. Okay, so don't get, now you have seen that with the month we are using what? in. Yes, so don't get confused कि अरे यहाँ तो हमने from use कर दिया. According to the sentence you will see that here कमल जो है वो दिल्ली में रहता है जून से लेकर के दिसंबर. So here we are telling about the duration. So from starting point we will write from and to ending we will write to.